Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, this is your English instructor Kashif Mahmood. I hope you are enjoying good health. Today, we are going to start B lift number 8. So, let's move and look at the B lift number 8. Ask and answer questions of personal relevance, information, and a variety of communicative purposes. So, this B lift is about the questions about personal information. Dear learners, now we are moving to the next stage. But before moving, I hope you have done the bridging with the help of your teacher and with the company of your fellows. Now, this is the focus. We have reached at the focus. Yes, this is the focus. Look at this. What is the anatomy of inquiry? This is the process of asking question. Anatomy here stands for process. Questions are the core or the main engine of human interaction. Interaction means communication. Every inquiry, every question is built on a foundation of 6 core pillars. And these are the 6 core pillars: who, what, where, when, why, how. Whenever we want to get personal information, the information about the personal relevance, we should keep in mind these pillars in our mind, and they are 6 in number. Yes, look at this. What is the purpose of these question words? First of all, accelerate learning. It means enhance learning. And second one, clear communication. It means whenever we communicate with others, it should be clear. There should be no ambiguity. So third one is build confidence. So these are the purpose of these question words. Let's see what is ahead. Question of personal relevance. Yes, question of personal relevance means moving beyond data collection to establish authentic human connection. It means when you want to get more information other than the surface information about the persons, that is called questions of personal relevance. So this thing is depending on relationships. Yes, first of all, we have to decide what type of relationship we have for these questions. And reciprocal sharing, it means equal level between the sharing, and frictionless communication, so that there should be no restriction between the communication. It should be a crystal clear communication. Right now, this is an example of getting personal information. What is your favorite subject to study? This is the question of personal relevance. How do you prefer to spend your free time? This is also the question of personal relevance. Now, let's move ahead and let's see what is there for us. Yes, this is effective questioning technique or effectively asking questions. This is called. So, there are two types of questions. Yes, definitely. That is close-ended questions and open-ended questions. Yes. What does mean close-ended questions? It means that no further explanation is required, can be answered with a simple yes or no, best for confirming facts quickly but halts narrative flow. Yes, it is a mode of question that is best for getting yes or no. But on the other hand, open-ended questions requires explanation, thought, and detail, best for encouraging storytelling and unearthing deeper insights, getting more information. So this process is very good for further communication and asking personal questions. So now look at this. Active listening. Yes, dear students, this is very important point. Please listen it and understand it. If you want to ask a good question and want to make good and effective communication, your listening process should be up to the mark. Yes, a question is only half of a conversation. Yes, this is the half of a conversation. Listening fully absorbs the answer and drives the communication loop. So, your active listening builds respect. Yes, demonstrate the speaker's thoughts are valued when you listen carefully any speaker. It also enhances data, ensures the purpose of the inquiry is achieved. Yes, if you are listening clearly, it means you are understanding the real purpose of the communication. And the third one is ties the loop. A processed answer generates the next question. So it means that if you listened the question carefully, you will be able to answer rightly. This is the process. So, dear students, this is all about today's B-Lift, and I hope you have done the focus and formative check effectively with the help of your teachers, and you have also done the classwork. And dear students, I hope you will do your homework efficiently and effectively. In the end, I would like to say thank you so much and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.